Let me see how bulletproof this water heater is. I'll be throwing 22 bird shot, 9mm, 45 ACP, and if all else fails, 224 Valkyrie. 12 gauge bird shot. 12 gauge bird shot did nothing to it. Just all kind of stopped right there. 22 long rifle. That one actually put a bigger dent than I was expecting. Almost went through the first layer. 22 long rifle, yeah. And it did not go through the back. 9mm. So 9mm surprisingly did not go through the first layer, just cracked it. 45 ACP. So with 45, I hit way too low and I think it went down. It did go through the first layer, so I'm gonna redo that one. 45 ACP again. So I think the metal was a bit thinner down here because it's rusted through, but 45 left a huge dent. Did not pass through though. So we came down here and looked. We found some 45 pieces. There's a whole bullet there. All right, all else failed, so 224 Valkyrie. So 224 made a clean entry right here, and I think it fragmented. It did not go through the back, and there's not even a dent anywhere. All right, retrying the 224 Valkyrie. So we hit right here at the 224 again, and after further inspection, we saw that it's going through 3 different layers. So there's the front layer, the tube in the middle, and the back layer. And now that we're looking at it, we see 2 dents. It's bulging out the back right here. 270 Winchester. So somehow, I was hitting right here, and somehow, 270 did not go through. So it turns out that a water heater can save your life, unless it's a 50 BMG. Stay safe, have fun.